Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. Latest NVC Processing Times as of March 3rd, 2025. Navigating the transition from USCIS to NVC is a key step in the immigration process. Understanding case processing, document submission, and interview scheduling can help ensure a smooth journey. What does a transition from USCIS to NVC mean? Once the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services approves your immigrant petition, it initiates the next step in the visa processing journey. USCIS will issue an I-797 Notice of Action, which serves as an official approval notice confirming that your petition has been accepted. Following this approval, USCIS transfers your case to the National Visa Center for further processing. The NVC is responsible for pre-processing visa applications, collecting necessary fees, and ensuring all required documents are in order before scheduling an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your home country. When the NVC receives your case from USCIS, they enter into their system and generate a welcome letter. This letter contains crucial information, including NVC case number, a unique number assigned to your visa case, invoice ID number, used to access your case in the Consular Electronic Application Center system. This letter serves as an official notification that your case is now with the NVC and ready for further action. The NVC Welcome Letter. The NVC Welcome Letter is essential because it provides the information needed to log into the CAC system and proceed with the next steps in your visa application. For immigrant visas, family-based, employment-based, etc., the left-hand side of the Welcome Letter contains both the NVC case number and the invoice ID number. 4K visas, fiancé visas. The welcome letter will only include the case number, as K visa applicants follow a slightly different process. At this stage, you will need to visit www.ustraveldocs.com to begin the next steps in your immigration process. NVC processing times and updates. Current case file creation time. Current case creation time frame. As of March 3rd, 2025, we are working on cases that were received from USCIS on February 19th, 2025. Once USCIS sends your I-797 approval notice, they will send your approved petition to the National Visa Center, NVC, for processing. At NVC, we will create your visa case and enter the data from your petition into the system. After creating your case, we will send you instructions for processing, as well as a welcome letter that includes your case number and invoice ID. You will use these numbers to log into our Consular Electronic Application Center, https://csc.state.gov. Important! Keep your welcome letter in a safe place, as you will need this information to log into CAC throughout the entire visa process. Take this time to review the types of required civil documents and how to find them, plus information about what forms and information your petitioner needs to prove he or she can financially support you. Schedule your visa interview. Once you submit your application, you will receive an email from the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country confirming that they are ready to schedule your interview. To schedule your interview, click the link in the email to sign in. Enter your case number from the welcome letter. Input your invoice ID number. Follow the prompts to select an available interview date. NVC document submission process. After completing the DS-260 or DS-160, the next step is to submit supporting documents via the CAC system. These documents typically include financial support documents, affidavit of support, Form I-864, civil documents, birth certificates, marriage certificates, police certificates, etc., proof of relationship, if applicable. The NVC will notify you via email when they are ready to collect the necessary fees and documents. Tracking document submission status. Missing status, some documents are still required. Uploaded status, documents have been uploaded but not submitted. Submitted status, documents have been submitted for review. Once the NVC accepts all required documents, you will receive an email stating that your case is now documentally qualified, meaning no further documentation is needed. Transition from NVC to the U.S. Embassy or consulate. Once you are documentally qualified, the NVC will coordinate with the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country to schedule your visa interview. You will receive an interview appointment letter with the date, time, and location of your visa interview. Your online status will update to reflect the interview location and will display as ready in the CAC system. Current case review time. Current case review time. As of March 3rd, 2025, we are reviewing documents submitted to us on February 21st, 2025. Before the National Visa Center reviews your case, you must pay all fees and submit all required documents, such as petitioner's affidavit of support, supporting financial documents, applicant's DS-260, and applicant's civil documents. Required documents vary based on petition type. Take this time to review the types of required civil documents and how to find them, and information about what forms and information your petitioner needs to prove he or she can financially support you. Current public inquiry form. Response time. Current public inquiry form response time. As of March 3rd, 2025, we are responding to inquiries received on February 26th, 2025. We will update this information every week. We ask that you make a subsequent inquiry only if you do not receive a response to your email within our published time frame above. Duplicate inquiries slow our ability to respond to you in a timely manner. How to submit an inquiry to NVC. If you have questions about your case, you can submit an NVC public inquiry form online. Go to NVC inquiry page. Enter your NVC case number or USCIS receipt number. Provide the principal applicant's full name and date of birth. Provide the petitioner's full name. Indicate who is submitting the inquiry. Enter a valid email address. Write your inquiry message. Attach up to 5 documents if needed. Check the "I'm not a robot" box and click Submit. Final thoughts. Understanding the transition from USCIS to NVC is crucial in navigating the immigration process smoothly. Staying updated on NVC processing times, properly submitting all required documents, and promptly scheduling your interview can help ensure a successful visa approval process. If you have further questions, always refer to the U.S. Department of State's official website for the latest updates and guidance. Staying informed about NVC processing and submitting documents on time can prevent delays. Follow each step carefully to move forward with confidence. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. Latest NVC Processing Times as of March 3rd, 2025. The transition from USCIS to the National Visa Center is a crucial step in the immigration process. Once USCIS approves an immigrant petition, they issue an I-797 notice of action and forward the case to the NVC for further processing. The NVC generates a welcome letter containing the NVC case number and invoice ID, which applicants use to log into the Consular Electronic Application Center and proceed with their visa application. Current NVC processing times case creation. As of March 3rd, 2025, the NVC is creating cases received from USCIS on February 19, 2025. Once a case is created, applicants receive a welcome letter with login details for CAC. Case review. The NVC is a reviving document submitted on February 21st, 2025. Before review, all required documents and fees must be submitted. Public inquiry response. The NVC is responding to inquiries received on February 26, 2025. Applicants should avoid sending duplicate inquiries as it slows response styles. Visa application process. Submitting the DS-260, DS-160 form. After receiving the welcome letter, applicants complete the appropriate form online, uploading supporting documents such as the affidavit of support form I-864, birth certificate, marriage certificates, and police clearance must be submitted via CAC. Document status include a missing additional documents are needed. Uploaded documents are uploaded but not yet submitted. Submitted documents are under review, becoming documentarily qualified once all documents are accepted. The NVC notifies applicants that their case is documentarily qualified, scheduling a visa interview. The US Embassy or a consul schedules the interview and applicants receive an appointment later with details.